Back again with another reaction. Reacting to my boy, Westside Boogie. Dope lyricist. Dope human being. Listen. I ain't even gotta say nothing else. I already know how he be coming on the shits, bro. Like, he go in, man. Listen. Without any other interruptions, original link will be in the description box below. Let's go.
You are so fucking toxic. I'm so tired of your bullshit. Fake woke ass nigga. But anyway, what time you want me to pick you up?
I was outside with the thirst in my eyes, with my shirts oversized so my hunger don't show. Going through a lot, but I kept that inside. You could blame that on pride, so my homies don't know. Knowing in my mind when it's all on the line, I could call it goodbye and my shorty gon' go. Oh shit, man, fuck that bitch. Cheer. Oh man, true story. Move forward, not a boy on your mood board. New whore, oh this yours, don't be too short. Took a tour of the hood, it's a new war. Shit like. Shit I had to know when it cracks that my humbleness was holding me back. All they did was put me in a mold that ain't black. That's the only way a nigga know the glow where I'm at. Told you I land in a minute, you better come get me. You love me, I know that you got me. Told you I'm back in your city to tap in and hit me. You better not be fucking nobody. No, I ain't chasing you, bitch.
Hold up.
Hold up.
My man said, hold on. Let me see what he said, bruh. Hold up.
Why I lie like I'm cutting you off when you know you my favorite little bitch.
Hold up.
Hit me, you better not be fucking nobody. No, I ain't. When this was holding me back. All they did was put me in a mold that ain't black. That's the only way a nigga know the glow where I'm at. Told you I land in a minute, you better come get me. You love me, I know that you got me. Told you I'm back in your city to tap in and hit me. You better not be fucking nobody.
Back in your city, tap and just hit me. You better not be fucking nobody. Yo, bro, that's some real shit to tell a bitch. Like, he going in, man. Beat is hard as fuck. Like, bruh. And then you hear the melody and him in the back. Yo, that shit go hard, bruh. Let me bring that shit back, yo. Let's go.
New whore, oh this yours, don't be too short. Took a tour of the hood, it's a new war. Shit like shit I had to know when it cracks that my humbleness was holding me back. All they did was put me in a mold that ain't black. That's the only way a nigga know the glow where I'm at. Told you I land in a minute, you better come get me. You love me, I know that you got me. Told you I'm back in your city to tap in and hit me. You better not be fucking nobody. No, I ain't chasing you, bitch.
I ain't chasing you.
Like I'm cutting you off when you know you my favorite little bitch.
My favorite.
What I made of this shit, no, I hated this shit, so I'm saying that. I was outside with the thirst in my eyes, with my shirts oversized, so my
hunger don't show.
Going through a lot, but I kept that inside. You could blame that on pride, so my homies don't know. In my mind when it's all on the line, I could call it goodbye and my shorty gon' go. Oh shit. Who the fuck you finna depend on, nigga?
Ooh.
Nobody bigger than the program. And ain't nobody bigger than the game. No. And ain't nobody bigger than the program. And ain't nobody bigger than the game.
Hold up. That switch up.
But I kept that inside, you could blame that on pride, so my homies don't know. Knowing in my mind when it's all on the line, I could call it goodbye and my shorty gon' go. Oh shit. Who the fuck you finna depend on, nigga? Ain't nobody bigger than the program. And ain't nobody
bigger than the game.
No. Ain't nobody bigger than the program. And ain't nobody bigger than the game.
Oh, so you're a superhero now? Cause you got multiple personalities? Nigga, you just confused. Just accept that you ain't shit.
Damn. She's coming at that nigga, yo. Hey, There you have it. That shit goes so hard, man. I'm mad it's not longer. You feel me? Like, oh man, that shit hard, bruh. Big ups to Boog, man. Westside Boogie, man. Like, that boy's in my top 10, man. Early. Like I said, original link to the video will be in the description box below. If you don't want to hear me, you know what I mean? So, if you want to hear me, watch this. Thumbs up if you like. Subscribe. Hey. Love, peace, and good vibes as always. Let's go.